Hello, and welcome to our public service announcement on Alzheimer's disease.
Here are some quick facts about Alzheimer's. Did you know that Alzheimer's is one of the most popular diseases with an enormous emotional, physical toll on the human body? Alzheimer's is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. 5.7 million civilians are living with Alzheimer's right now. Every 65 seconds, someone in the United States develops this disease. Half of adults aged 85 have Alzheimer's right now, and some of the symptoms can develop at the age of 30.
So here are some key words that relate with this condition.
So how do you know if you have this condition? Well, first is gender and age. This condition is more common among women, specifically at the age of 60 to 65. Some of the symptoms include memory loss, confusion, forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, inability to recognize familiar objects, depression, and loss of appetite. If you see any of these symptoms, call a doctor for reliable information.
So here we see a graph of the distribution of Alzheimer's disease patients in the United States in 2018 by age group. So we can see here that 4% of citizens under 65 years have this condition. Next, 16% of citizens between the range of 65 to 74 years have Alzheimer's. 44% of citizens from 75 to 84 years have this condition, and 38% of citizens 85 years and over have this condition.
So what exactly does Alzheimer's do to the body? Well, as your age progresses, this condition slowly rots the brain and gives the effects mentioned, such as memory loss, confusion, and other symptoms. But you should not be scared because the only way to contract this disease is through genetics. Nothing can have an effect on the cause of this disease, such as environment, the sun, etc.
So how can we treat and prevent Alzheimer's? Disclaimer, there are not any known cures for this disease, but however, we should raise funds and spread awareness of this condition, attracting attention of the society and gaining importance. Raising funds can allow scientists to use better technology to create vaccines and reliable treatments in the future. But without funds, we will continue to go in the same direction and the death rates will continue to rise.
Here are some pictures that simplify what Alzheimer's does to your brain. In the first picture, you see how Alzheimer's slowly rots away at your brain until there is nothing left. And in the second picture is a CT scan of what someone with Alzheimer's brain might look like.
But on the bright side, we have already raised money and awareness for this condition and it has gathered significant attention. But all we need is you. We have the ability to turn around these rates and lead our society in the right direction. New technology will be developed and scientists will use it for further research and development of treatments and cures. Thank you for watching and we hope you enjoyed.